Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Classic Royalty, and I know I've been MIA for I think about a month, but I'm sorry. You know your girl's about to get married. I get married in 7 days, y'all. 7 days, and it's just crazy how time is going by so fast. Like during this time of getting married and being engaged, you learn a lot about yourself. You learn a lot about your partner, and you learn a lot just about family members and what you like and what you don't like and your limits. Because over the past week, me and my fiance, soon to be husband, we have gotten a lot of emails and text messages and phone calls about people canceling or might be canceling. And our response is okay. Because at this point, we are a week before the wedding. So it's like, what realistically can we do? Like, thank you for letting me know, but what can we do? But anyway, long story short, I'm here to show you guys my DIY Air Force One sneakers that I created for my reception look. So yeah, boom. These are super cute. So FYI, I already had these Uptowns already like in my closet, and I have not worn these. I can't even tell you the last time I wore these. Like, I think I wore these maybe about 2 years ago, a year ago. I don't even know when, but these are my regular Uptowns. For those of you who don't know what Uptowns are, these are called Uptowns, all whites. If you're from New York or the New York region, these are called all whites, Uptowns or Air Force Ones. You can get these literally anywhere. There's a popular song by Nelly called Air Force Ones, and in New York City, we used to get a pair every summer. These are your typical every summer sneakers because they're just all white and they go with every outfit, with dresses, denim shorts, jeans, and etc. And these are for everyone, kids, women, and men. But these are my sneakers, y'all. I'm just literally here to show you guys my wedding sneakers. These are Air Force Ones, and I'll be wearing these for my third reception look. I just want to show you guys the details of my sneakers. As you guys can see, I definitely added some pearls that are right here. I added some pearls and some stones. These pieces right here, these 3D flowers that are right here in the front, I got these from Walmart. And I wanted to add some texture and some depth within my shoe, something a little bit different. So this is why I added the pearls all underneath. Then I added these smaller flower appliques with the pearls and the stones on top of that, on top of the pearls. And then from the side, you guys can kind of see that I added a mixture of the pearls and the stones, because when you move the sneaker, they shine. So I love these so much. The check of the Uptown, I also added some pearls and some stones with the flowers. I just wanted my shoe to be very much different than anybody else's. And again, I'm not so sure if I'm going to be wearing these again, but I just want to be different. You cannot be a fashion designer and go to your wedding and look so basic. I feel like people already have a visualized idea on what they want me to look like for my wedding, which is like crazy because people who follow me, they know my style by this point. And it's just like, I think Anita's gonna wear pink. At one point I did want to wear a pink dress. Like, I really wanted to wear this color, like a blush wedding dress, which would have been really, really pretty. But let's keep it traditional and let's just go ahead and stick with the white dress. So let's go ahead and tell you where I got my stuff from. So the pearls, these white pearls I got from Amazon. You can buy them in a huge pack off Amazon for like $10. I got these pearls from Amazon. I got these flowers here, this flower, and these white flowers, and the ones on the side, I got them from Walmart. Go to your local Walmart, go to Amazon, go to your local Michael's, Hobby Lobby, go to your craft section, and they have just like floral arrangements or flowers. I like the small packets. These were literally, I think I got these for like, it was like $10 for $1. These are like $5 for $1. I don't remember, but I got a few because I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do. But yeah, I got the flowers from Walmart. I got the pearls from Amazon. Now the bigger pearls, these are smaller and these are bigger. The bigger ones are also from Amazon. But when it comes to these stones, as fashion designers, they can be Swarovski crystals. You can go to Hobby Lobby and get the cheaper ones. I got mine from actually Alibaba, the app. And these are like the sister to Swarovski crystals. So they do shine. And I know a big question some of you guys might be asking. Oh yeah, these, you can see the big pearls on this side. But a lot of you guys might be asking, like, what did you use to glue them on? I use E6000. So E6000 to me is like the perfect thing. I'm gonna put these right here and have it like sit up like this so you guys can like see them. Hopefully it will stay. So yeah, so I got my glue and I use E6000 because a lot of people use fabric glue when it comes to like these sneakers. But I was like, let's go ahead and stick with what I know. E6000, it is a bit tacky. Well, I should say you should wait until it gets tacky. So these in total took me about 3 days. I did the front and the sides first, let it dry. Then I did the mixing the front with the sides with the flowers. I let it dry. Then I did the back with the flowers and I added some more in and let it dry. You have to let these dry. Do these piece by piece. If you want, you can do the left side, let it dry, so you can like have it on the side, do the right side, do the front, etc. But I haven't spoke to you guys in a little minute, so I'm literally just here to show you guys my sneakers. If you guys want to see more, or if you guys want to just be in tune about what's going on with my wedding is August 1st, 2025. I'm gonna post it today. Whatever day you're seeing this, it's the Friday before my wedding, so just count backwards, and that's today. But my wedding is August 1st, 2025, which is Friday, this Friday coming. And I have been posting a lot of DIY content on my TikTok. So if you guys are not following me on TikTok, my TikTok is Classic Royalty. Make sure you guys do that and follow me. And make sure you guys follow my Instagram as well, Classic Royalty. I'm posting everything on TikTok and Instagram. And me and my fiance, soon to be husband, we will be starting a new YouTube channel called Since We Were 10, Anita and Brandon. So please make sure you guys follow us on that page. Everything on that page will be about us, our story, how I've known him since he was 10 and I was 11, how we got together, about who shot and stuff like that. And then there'll also be content about us going on our honeymoon and our excursions and stuff like that. So yeah, I know a lot of you guys followed me in the beginning because I dated someone who was incarcerated, and that was a journey that obviously didn't go so well because I'm married now and I'm getting married in a week. But yeah, definitely follow me and my fiance, soon to be husband's new journey on our page, Since We Were 10, Anita and Brandon. And I will be back with more content, more videos, because my wedding is in a week. So you guys will be seeing more of this face. Okay? Period. But overall, hope you guys really enjoyed my sneakers. Oh, I didn't show you guys the back. This is the back, y'all. And if you guys looking in the background, please ignore the boxes. Like I said, I'm getting married in a week. This whole house is full of boxes. So these are my sneakers. This is the side that is inside that you really won't see. Also, side note, since I am getting married in a week, and yes, this is white and beige, mind your business. My mother has her own business as well. It's called Touche Creations, and she designs stuff for like her cricket and t-shirts and hats. So she's gonna print out our wedding date. So it's gonna be 08/01/2025, or I think 8/1 just 25, so it can just fit here. So she's gonna put that here, and when she puts that here, I'm gonna put some stones and pearls around that in this area. Like, I literally have a lot going on this week in general because these are done. I gotta send emails to my friends and family, a reminder of like what time to be there, what you guys should be wearing, because there is a color code and stuff like that. I will also put the link if I can, because we also have a newlywed fund if you guys want to just donate whatever. We highly appreciate you for sure. But and then I think I might actually start an Instagram page for me and my fiance, because people love our story, people love what we're about. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my sneakers. Super cute, because at a wedding you would not see me in heels the entire night. What? How can I dance and toe up and do a split the entire night? I can't. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned guys for more videos, because your girl, your fashion designer, your fave fashion designer is about to be a whole wife for life, y'all. I'm turning it for life, y'all. There you go. But yeah, guys, I'll speak to you guys soon in my next video, and stay tuned for more DIY with the bride. Bye, guys.